Today, I am checking out this cordless cultivator to see how well it breaks up some ground. Now, we have this area in our yard that is kind of just a dead space. Thought it might make a good flower bed. I'm going to use this to break up this ground and also test this out. So let's get this out of the box and get to testing it. I like the way they packed that to make sure that the blade didn't mess anything up. It's actually got metal, or really, actually it's not metal, so they got a really hard rubber on the sides of it to keep it from poking through the box. That's pretty cool. It doesn't come with a battery, but I actually kind of like that because it uses Milwaukee's M18 battery sets. I've already got a few of these around here because I like Milwaukee tools. And so if you already have Milwaukee batteries, it just snaps in and it goes to work. So I'm gonna put this to work. Oh buddy, this thing is serious. I am truly impressed with this. It actually has a little battery life indicator right here on the top, so you know when your battery's getting low and you need to go and change it out. I get a feeling I'd be able to get all of this done and more with my 8 amp hour battery I've got here. I also have a 12 amp hour in there, and so that's gonna be more than enough to do what I need to with this thing. I am truly, truly, truly surprised at how well this did. Would I recommend it? Yes. If you're looking for one of these versus like a hand tiller, this is really good, really powerful. Like I said, I was really surprised. This ground here hasn't been tended to in years, and it just chewed right through it, no problem. Obviously getting grass, but that's going to be normal whenever you're using a tiller. So if you have an area that you can't get a normal size tiller or a tractor blade in here to till up the ground for you, this thing is awesome. I really am truly surprised at how good this did. So if you're looking for something like that, check this one out.